Hello everyone, this is Drayman1993 here, and today we're at the Bachman Trains website here, looking at some cool products here. There's the HO Scale Warchief, now in stock. Join the Bachman at the WH On Tour show in Chinchilla, Virginia. Please note our hours are on February 7th, which is going to be closed due to President's Day, which is cool. But let's look at the what's new stuff here. Pretty cool Warchief train set like I showed you. And that. Here is some new stuff for ON30, like this 262T class trench engine. The retail price is only $459. Wow. Here's an N-scale 2884 EM1 Yellowstone. Retail price will be around $500. Thomas & Friends HON30 scale carriages. Retail price for the red and blue is $39. Clean up your track with the N-scale 50 plug boxcar, which is $49. And the road name will be Union Pacific, Western Pacific, Baltimore, Ohio, and Conrail. Let's look at the Conrail version here. I thought this looked interesting. It looks very nice though, and it's available now. Wow, that is amazing. HO 210-2 Russian decapods are now in stock now. So get yours now for only $549. There might be cheaper ones at the hobby store. And one of the paint scheme is Santa Fe, Erie, Frisco with Doghouse, Western Maryland, and an undecorated painted black. So pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoy this vid. And let's go with one more thing before I close this. Here is the new Cream of Crop, new LS Thomas and Friends cars, which is the open wagon, which is right there, and the cream tanker for all your Thomas fans here. Wow, very awesome. Well, take care, guys, and hope you guys enjoy this vid.